Hello, it's me, Miss Nate, your TikTok makeup artist, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm doing an eyeshadow look for all of you. We are starting with the Morphe Eyelid Primer in Translucent. So, ina-apply ko lang yan gamit ang aking fingers kasi mabilis tong matuyo. If I use a brush, mas mabilis siyang matuyo. So, I want the warmth of my fingers to affect it. Charot. Anyway, so yeah, just using my fingers kasi nga, I feel like I get a more even layer using my fingers. Now we're using the MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation in NC42 and just applying that on wherever I put the primer using a fluffy brush. As you can see, it has a little bit of coverage. It covers some of the pigmentation on my eyes. And then this will make a great canvas or base for my eyeshadow look. So, apply lang guys. I make sure na talagang lahat ng area na may primer, merong powder. So now we're using the Brow It by Nongchat Amazing Shadow and Liner in the shade Bridal Pink Gold. And I am applying that starting from my outer V because I want to elongate my eyes. The way I do Asian eyes is I always like to elongate them rather than making them pabilog. Sometimes pwedeng pabilog, pero for this look that I always do on TikTok, yung go-to look ko, gusto ko mahaba talaga yung eyes ko. So what I'm doing now is just applying that color everywhere, as in sa buong lid ko and even some parts of my crease. Pero you can see I'm going back, tinitignan ko yung sarili ko sa mirror, tinitignan ko yung sarili ko sa camera, tinitignan ko kung kita pa yung eyeshadow pag nakadilat ako. So that's one tip for all of you guys with hooded eyes like me. You should always look straight into the mirror or the camera para makita nyo kung kita pa ba yung eyeshadow na nilalagay nyo, if it's visible pag nakadilat yung mata nyo. So now I'm taking a brush and then just blending the edges. I don't want the color to be too blown out. Ibig sabihin ayokong masyadong mataas siya. So yeah, tuloy-tuloy lang ang ating pagbe-blend. This is gonna be a long process because it's a cream eyeshadow, and pag hindi na blend maayos ang cream eyeshadow, it's not gonna look that good, diba? So as you can see, I looked in the mirror again and tinataasan ko na naman yung eyeshadow ko kasi hindi pa nga siya kita. Especially for my setup where maraming lights and maraming mga softbox. So yan. Continuously checking myself on the mirror and the camera so I can see what I need to improve on. Now, I am elongating. Ito na talaga guys, yung parang elongating portion ng ating eyeshadow. So, I'm trying to make my eyes longer by extending the shadow, creating the illusion na mahaba yung mata ko. And of course, always, we have to blend properly para walang kitang chismis. Hindi nakikita kung saan natatapos yung eyeshadow at saan siya nabe-blend. Ganon. Char! Does that make sense? Anyway, so yan guys, blend pa rin. So as you can see, parang tinataas ko siya ng very light, but I don't want it to reach my brow bone. So that's the shape that I want. Nakuha na natin yung shape that I want. But we're just making sure na wala masyadong harsh lines. So gora-gora lang sa pagbe-blend. And then we are using the Brow It by Nongchat Amazing Shadow and Liner in the shade #drama brown. So I am applying that on the outer part of my eye kasi ito talaga yung magpapahaba ng eye ko. As you can see, tignan nyo, very dark siya compared to the one that we applied kanina. And see, ayan, parang nagko-contour ako. I'm trying to sync that part of my eye where it's puffy, and of course, hindi natin i-blend yan. So yeah, see, ayun na naman, ginawa ko na naman siya. Tumingin na naman ako sa camera at sa mirror to see what my eyeshadow looks like. So I do that pretty often in this video, and yeah, you should always do it then. Kung gusto nyo maganda yung eyeshadow nyo, you should always check up on it from time to time para makita yung itsura nyo kapag nakatingin kayo diretso. Now I am taking this Prestige Cosmetics eyeliner in brown. I bought this in Beauty Bar, guys. So I am just lining my lash line. And then after that, I am gonna apply it also on my upper waterline. So as you can see, hindi ko pa ginagawa yung wing. I just want this to create a fuller lash look. Kasi pag naka eyeliner or pencil liner yung yung tight line nyo and lash line, mas kumakapal yung itsura ng lashes and of course more definition. Pack, and then now we are gonna use this Shuyamura eyelash curler, the legendary, as in ito lang talaga yung curler na trust ko, guys. After that, we are gonna be using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Pack in black. Syempre, hindi pwedeng hindi black. So, just using wiggling motions from... Alam nyo ba yung wiggling? Yung parang side to side natin siyang sinishake and then pataas. As you can see, lumagpas ako ng very light. So, pwede namang linisin ng finger yan. I really like this mascara. It's one of my favorites for 2020, by the way. Next, we are gonna apply lashes from Paul Lash. This is in the style Slay. And as you can see, pinatuyo ko muna ng mabuti yung glue bago talaga i-apply, no? So, yan. This is a process na parang kailangan mo talagang matutunan on your own. The only way you're gonna learn how to put falsies is to practice on yourself. Kasi kailangan yung lash band ay nakadikit talaga ng mabuti sa lash line mo para walang booking. Para hindi, alam mo yung nakikita mo yung kung saan natatapos yung lashes at saan nag-uumpisa yung natural mong lashes. So, kailangan very bonded sila together. Tapos yan. And I'm also tilting the lashes upwards. Again, this is Paul Lash in the style Slay. And I'm gonna go back and put more mascara. Always mag-mascara kayo, guys, pagkatapos nyo mag-falsies kasi dun nababond or nagjo-join yung natural lashes nyo and yung false lashes para iisa lang sila, hindi sila hiwalay, di ba? Hindi sila, same direction sila. And mas maganda yung pagkakalagay niya para hindi buko, para hindi kita na naka-false lashes kayo. Keme! Next, we are gonna be using the Teviant liquid eyeliner in Virago. This is a very black liquid eyeliner and I'm just using that para hindi masyadong kita yung kung saan natatapos yung falsies. So, syempre, we have to hide the lash band. And now, I am creating my wing, no? Kasi itong liner na to, brush tip siya. So, maganda siyang pang-create ng wing liner. A tip for you guys is to go outward, horizontal, wag vertical, or wag nyo masyadong i-snatch or flick up. Don't flick up, but flick away, as in pahaba. So, see, ganun lang yung ginagawa ko, guys. I'm trying to make my eye longer, not necessarily tilted upwards. I think that's good for Asian eyes. So, I did my foundation and I did my contour in a separate video, guys. It's on my channel na rin, by the way, if you wanna check that out. Foundation and contour. Now, we are just using this Colorette lipstick, Easy Matte lipstick in Felt Cute. Felt Cute is one of my favorite shades, guys. As in, sobrang love ko talaga tong Felt Cute by Colorette. Ang ganda ng formula nila. Miss Nina, shout out po. Shout out. So, hindi pa nakontento si bakla. Lalagyan pa niya yung upper lip niya. Gusto ko talagang pouty. As in, boom. Char! Is it time for fillers? Check! So anyway, yan. I'm using a Vice Cosmetics blush brush and the NARS powder blush in Deep Throat. And just applying that on my temples and yan. Because I want a very lifted look. Guys, yung blush talaga yung bumubuhay ng look na to. As in, I really love putting on blush. I use it all the time on my clients kasi ang ganda ang bilis maka-fresh ng blush. As you can see, hindi pa ako nakontento. Dadagdagan pa natin yan. More. And I'm using pressing motions to do it para hindi masyadong magulo yung foundation underneath. I'm just using pressing motions. And I even put a little bit on my nose para hindi, para cute din yung nose natin. So I'm gonna take the NARS powder blush in Deep Throat and I'm gonna apply that on my eyes. As in, para medyo monochromatic yung peg natin. Para hindi rin masyadong dark or intense or fierce yung eyes natin. Maglalagay tayo ng konting blush para cute on the eyes. So I'm just applying that para ma-blend out, using that blush to blend out my eyeshadow. Next, I'm using the Stila highlighter in Kitten, one of my favorite highlighters this year. Thank you so much, Rustan's Beauty Source, for sending this. And as you can see, girl, I really love this highlighter. As in, ang ganda talaga eh. Like, ang ganda ng texture and very, very lightweight. So, gagamitin ulit natin yung Brow It by Nong Chat in Bridal Peak Gold. And we're gonna do the same for the lower lash line, no? A lot of you guys scared kayong mag-lower lash line eyeshadow kasi feeling nyo parang nakaka-eye bags siya. But look at the difference. As in, girl, it just really opens up my eyes. Next, we are using the Brow It by Nong Chat in Drama Brown para lagyan ulit ng parang intensification. Now we're using the NARS bronzer in Seaside to apply and blend out yung mga cream shadow natin. This also acts as parang isi-set na rin niya yung cream eyeshadow natin. And it does make a big difference, no? The smokier the bottom lash line is, parang the sexier the look. Sexy? Ano raw? Anyway, so yan. I'm putting more Stila highlighter on my nose line para alam nyo na, para mas matulis ang ating ilong ng very, very light. Tapos maglalagay din tayo on the inner corners of my eyes. Ay, hindi pa pala. Magdi-lip muna tayo. Talagay natin sa Cupid's bow ang highlighter na to. Para talagang pouty. Alam niyo yun, goals ko kasi maging Kardashian. Cheka! So there we have it. Medyo highlighted na tayo. Now we are using this Pixie Vitamin Makeup Mist. Ate, nagvo-voice over ako. Wait lang. So yeah, after kong i-apply yung makeup mist, tsaka lang ako maglalagay ng highlighter. Kasi gusto ko makita kung nasaan yung parang wet parts. Now, we are doing a MAC Cosmetics eye pencil in the shade NC15. This is like my nude or white liner. Para opened up talaga yung eyes. You can see the effect. Open eyes yan, girl. Next, we are applying the same highlighter on my eyelids kasi feel ko parang need niya ng pop of color, need niyang umangat ng onte. So, papaangatin natin siya using an eyeshadow. Yan, ngayon ko nalalagay yung sa inner corner. O, diba? Yung mamahaling muta natin. So, yun guys. And then just blending it out para hindi masyadong harsh. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, drop a comment, or subscribe and get notified. Maraming salamat for watching. Ito, tingnan nyo. Ia-aura ko lang siya ng very, very light. Ganda yarn! Thanks, guys!